We had a technician out on a inspection recently. He came across this furnace. He was in an attic. It's a 90% efficient furnace. You really do not want that in an attic due to it condensates in an unconditioned space. In the winter months, that attic is going to be matching the outdoor temperatures. It can cause the secondary heat exchanger to freeze, causing pressure switch errors, damage to the system. Swelling of that secondary heat exchanger can cause it to rupture, crack, and then you have CO levels in your house that you do not want. So 90% furnaces, you do not want in an unconditioned space. You want an 80% efficient furnace max unless you're planning on building walls and conditioning that space.